What's up guys, and welcome back to Must-Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome tweak that you must download. This tweak will completely redesign the settings app as you see. This tweak mimics the settings app from Samsung's OneUI to iOS. Ever wanted to hide the search bar or iCloud account cell? Well, with this tweak you can do it easily. There is plenty of customizability and features in the tweak preferences, so you can change subtitles for table cells, set custom settings background, change table view insets, change corner radius, spoof storage amount, and more awesome features. This tweak is an amazing tweak, and now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Celio Store or whatever you are using. Okay, I will use Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and add Cherry's source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for OneSettings. This is the tweak. OneSettings tweak, as I said, will give you plenty of customizability and features to customize the settings app. So you can change subtitles for table cells, set custom settings background, change label colors, change or hide table view insets, change corner radius, spoof storage amount, spoof your iOS version, and more features as you see. Now just go ahead and install it. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Okay, this is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is enable the tweak from here. Now here in the tweak options you can customize the tweak. The first option here is the colors option. Here you can change the settings, label colors, and change the background image and more. Okay, I will change the background image. I will use this one. Hit apply to save the changes. And as you see, the settings background has been changed. Okay, I will go back to the tweak preferences. Here you can add blur to the background, and here you can change table view colors, account colors, search button colors, title color, and more. Okay, in offsets option here you can change the position of the search and the account buttons. In title option here you can change the settings title, which is this one here as you see. You can also, if you want, enable center settings title, and this will make the title in the center, and also enable bold and small title settings. In table cells here, this is the most important and useful option for me, as this allows you to group settings in one cell or in one place. You can group connectivity in one cell, and also group notifications and sounds, and also group all settings into general in one cell. In table cell customization option here you can hide any table cells you don't need. Just disable what you want and it will not appear in the settings app. Below here you will find more options to customize table cells, icons and icon corner radius, remove separates, and many more awesome features. In account cell option you can use the stock iCloud cell, hide search icon, hide account icon, and more. Here below you can change the account image position. You can place it to the left or to the right here or in the middle. In the last option we have here, there are several useful options like center labels, which I'm using, and this allows you to place the labels in the center instead of the default one, which is on the left side. Here you can spoof storage. Here you can hide search bar, and here you will find more options as you see. Here you can spoof your iOS version. You can type any version you want. Okay, I will spoof my iOS version to iOS 16.4. hit apply to save changes. Okay, I will open settings, general, about, and as you see, it has been changed to iOS 16.4. Alright guys, OneSettings tweak is really amazing tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. That tweak will give you a powerful options to customize the settings like never before. You will find the source to download the tweak below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos, and peace.